Hello everyone. So the module called Most Buying Product will give you an idea of all the top purchased product. Let's see how that works. First we go into purchases. Over here there is a menu called reporting. Under that menu we have top product report. Click on this and you will get a wizard of top products. Let's select the dates. I will select from 1st of April till today. And also you have a limit like you just want only 5 product to be seen. So you can select the limits as well. Here you have specific options which are for product, for category and purchase price. So it will give as per the product as well as per the category, also the purchased amount. Let's select the option and print a report. You have two options, PDF as well as Excel. Let me print the PDF report over here. You can also print Excel report. Here as you can see, as per the product, the most buying product you can see and the total count is 5. Let's go and select per category and print the report. As you can see, as per the category, it have printed all the reports. Again, let's select a purchase price and print the PDF report. Here, as per the price, it will show all the most buying product report. If you want, you can simply click on Excel file, download and see the Excel file as well. So this is how this module will print PDF as well as Excel report of all the top buying product you have. If you have any query, please write down your query in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.